A debate pitting abortion rights versus parental rights moves into the Illinois House.
This follows last night's controversial vote in the state Senate to repeal a law that requires parents be notified before minors get abortions.
Sally Schulze talked to people on both sides of this.
While the country waits for the Supreme Court to rule on controversial abortion limits, Illinois Democrats push to remove what's considered the last abortion restriction in this state.
So if there was a time that we wanted to reinforce that Illinois is a pro-choice state, it would be right now.
Tuesday night, the Illinois Senate voted to repeal the law that requires parents or guardians to be notified when girls under 18 seek an abortion. It's a debate that brought faith leaders out to Springfield.
Essentially, it is not even really a religious issue. It is a matter of parental rights and the best interests of children.
The repeal bill narrowly passed in the Senate, with some moderate Democrats siding with the Republicans who say this is about parental rights.
This bill is a slap in the face to the thousands of parents around the state who simply want nothing more than to be able to support their child when they're making these decisions.
But the ACLU of Illinois argues not all minors can safely talk to their parents. Since the law went into effect 8 years ago, the ACLU has represented 575 young people who went to court to bypass telling a guardian.
Who would ever want to go see a judge and have to explain, personal, intimate details about your life and your family and reproductive decision making? I mean, it's sort of heartbreaking to have to tell people that they have to go through this process.
Now we are watching this bill in the House, and the clock is ticking because the fall session ends on Thursday. Sally Schulze, Fox 32, Chicago.